Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic areas of plane figures part 9 for 8th class students, right? In this part we discuss about find the area of shaded region of following plane figures, right? Observe carefully. Find the area of shaded region of following plane figures, right? So observe this figure. The first problem. So here it is a square, right? Its side is d centimeters. From here to here, it is d centimeters. Then it is also d centimeter, right? So it is a semicircle. Semicircle. Its diameter is d. Then what is its radius? R is equal to d by 2, right? And it is also another semicircle. Its diameter is d, right? Its radius is d by 2, right? And its radius also d by 2. Its radius also d by 2, right? So observe carefully. These four semicircles are congruent semicircles, right? Because these four semicircles have same radii, that is d by 2, d by 2, d by 2. Right? And in this problem, the total length from here to here, 42 centimeters. From here to here, it is 42 centimeters. Right? See, from here to here, 42 centimeters means from here to here, it is d by 2, and it is d, and it is d by 2. That means d by 2 plus d by 2. From here to here, the total length is 42 centimeters, right? From figure, d by 2 plus length, d by 2 plus d by 2 is the total length is 42 centimeters, right? So from this d by 2, 1d, d plus it is d is equal to 42 centimeters, right? Then 2d is equal to 42 centimeters. Get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 20 ones, right? So d is equal to 21. Then what about the radius of a semicircle? R is, so R is equal to d by 2. That is equal to, here d is 21 centimeters, that is 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5 centimeters. So radius of semicircles is 10.5 centimeters, right? Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Here the shaded region is area of 4 semicircles, right? So therefore area of 4 semicircles is equal to 4 semicircles is equal to, the 4 semicircles are congruent semicircles, right? 4 semicircles gives 2 circles, right? 4 semi means half circle. 4 half circles is equal to 2 circles, that is 2 into pi r square, right? Area of 4 semicircles is 2 pi r square, 2 circles. 4 semicircles gives 2 circles. See, this semicircle plus this semicircle gives 1 circle, and this semicircle plus this semicircle gives 1 circle. See, total 2 circles, 2 into area of circle, right? 2 into pi r square. Now substitute values. That is equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. So you know radius r is 10.5, that is 21 by 2, right? So 21 by 2 raised 2 times because it is r square. Pi r square means r into r. So here r write 2 times. Now cancel. 2 get cancelled, and 7 ones are 7 3s are 21, and 2 ones 2 11s. Now we have finally 11 into 21 into 3, right? 11 into 21 into 3. The total value is 693 centimeters square, right? That is the area of shaded region in the plane figure, right? 693. Okay, have you understood? So once again listen. So if we observe this figure, the total distance from here to here is 42. That is given. From here to here is 42. And the side of square is D. Means it is also D. So this side is diameter of this semicircle, right? So D is its diameter, then its radius is D by 2. So R is equal to D by 2, right? And its radius also D by 2, D by 2, D by 2. So they given from here to here, the total length given means D by 2 plus D by 2. D by 2 plus D by 2 is 42. So from this we get to D value, right? Here D is equal to 21 centimeters. So we know D value. Then what is radius of this semicircle? R is equal to D by 2. That is 21 by 2. That is equal to 10.5, right? Now we have to find the area of 4 shaded regions, right? So 4 semicircles, area of 4 semicircles is equal to 2 pi r square. So 4 semicircles use 2 circles, right? Semi means half circle. Half circle plus half circle means 2 semicircles, 1 circle. 4 semicircles, so 2 circles. 2 into pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into r square means r is 21 by 2, right? 2 times. 2 get cancelled. And 7 ones are 7 3s are 21, 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now we have 11 into 21 into 3. So after multiplying these three, we get 693 centimeters square. Area of shaded region is 693 centimeters square, right? Yes, go for next problem. Observe this. This is the next problem. See, we have to find the area of a shaded region. Observe carefully. In this figure, we have to find area of shaded region. See, from here to here, the total length is 21 centimeters. That is diameter of a big circle. Diameter of big circle, right? Diameter of big circle is 21 centimeters. So capital D represent the diameter of big circle, that is 21 centimeters, right? Then capital R is equal to means radius of big circle. Capital R is equal to D by 2, that is 21 by 2 centimeters, right? So about capital means large circle. Means the large circle diameter is 21 centimeters, capital D, and capital R means radius of large circle is 21 by 2 centimeters, right? And take a small semicircles. Here 2 small semicircles are there. So 2 semicircles gives 1 circle, right? 2 half circles gives 1 circle. It is a small d, means diameter of a small semicircle, right? Small d is equal to diameter of small semicircle is 10.5 centimeters, right? Then its radius, small r is equal to 10.5 by 2, right? Half of diameter gives radius. So, yes, leave it up to there, leave it. So, we know radius of large circle and the radius of small semicircles. These 2 small semicircles gives 1 circle, right? Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of large circle minus area of 2 semicircles. So we subtracted these 2 semicircles, we get only shaded region, right? Like area of a ring, right? Area of a large circle means pi capital capital R square, area of large circle. Area of circle pi r square. Here large circle radius is capital R. So we use pi capital R square minus two semicircles, area of two semicircles. Two semicircles gives one circle. That is pi small r square, right? So in this take pi common, pi into r square minus r square, right? That is equal to pi means 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r square minus r square can be written as r plus r and r minus r, right? R plus r into r minus r, right? So r we can do like this also. Direct. So pi r square, pi means 22 by 7, capital R square, capital R is 21 by 2, raise it 2 times, 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, right? Minus pi small r square, pi 22 by 7 into small r square. Here small r is 10.5 by 2, right? It rises 2 times, 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2, right? So here 7 ones, 7 3's cancel, 2 ones, 2 11's, right? So we have 11 3's are 33 into 21, 33 into 21 by 2 minus here 2 ones, 2 11's, 7 ones, 7 ones, 7 5's, right? 7 1.5's. So now we have 11 into 1.5, 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 divided by 2, right? So after multiplying dividing with 2, we get the result is 346.5. 346.5. So 33 into 21 must multiply and divide it with 2. We get 346.5, right? Minus here also 11 into 1.5 into 10.5. First multiply these three and divide with 2. We get 86.625, right? So subtract this from this, we get finally we get 259.875 centimeter square. That is the area of shaded region, right? So once again listen, very simple. So from this figure, when we get the area of shaded region means area of large circle, the total area minus area of these two semicircles. These two semicircles use one circle, means pi capital R square, area of large circle, minus area of these two semicircles. Two semicircles gives area of one circle, that is pi small r square, right? After substituting capital R and small r in this, we get the area of shaded region, right? Yes, go for next problem. Observe carefully. Find the area of shaded region of following plane figures. See? So this is the figure look like different. See? Here OA is 14 centimeters and OC also from here to here 14 centimeters and OB is 14 and OD also 14, right? OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 14 centimeters, right? Now we have to find this shaded region. Observe carefully. So it is diameter of this quarter circle. Observe carefully. It is quarter circle. See, if we this shaded region fill in this like this. Right? We have one quarter circle, right? One quarter circle. Here also, if we this shaded region fill in this part, we have one more quarter circle. It is one more quarter circle, right? So it is one quarter, it is one quarter. Two quarter circles gives one semicircle, right? One semicircle. If we this shaded region fill in this part, so we got one semicircle, right? So area of shaded region gives area of semicircle, right?